In this video, we will discuss replacing teeth in the ModuPro Calibration and ModuPro DH. There are 6 different locking plates, 3 upper and 3 lower, teeth 1 through 4, teeth numbers 5 through 12, teeth 13 through 16, teeth 17 through 21, teeth 22 through 27, and teeth 28 through 32. Next, we'll remove the locking plate. We will be using teeth 5 through 12 in this demonstration. First, unscrew the locking plate with the supplied screwdriver. Remove the locking plate from the arch by sliding the plate toward the center in the direction of the arrows. Then lift the locking plate out. When removing the locking plate, make sure to hold the arch in the palm of your hand to prevent teeth from falling out. Now you can remove and insert any corresponding teeth. There is a notch on the teeth that will mate into the locking plate. Make sure to seat the teeth all the way down to ensure teeth engaged with the locking plate. Insert the locking plate and slide it toward the outer edge of the arch in the opposite direction of the arrows to lock the teeth. Gently screw back in until snug. This concludes our video on replacing teeth in the ModuPro Calibration and ModuPro DH. Accidental, making better dental professionals.